how to tag a person or a company in your LinkedIn post. So go to your LinkedIn page or your personal profile and click on Start a Post. It says, what do you want to talk about? So I'm going to share an event I'm speaking at, and I'm going to thank the organisers for inviting me to speak. So the first thing I'm going to do is type in the organisers. Sponsor Cathedral Quarter bid. And then for the person's name, you start typing the person, and then they appear. And then also. So the reason I'm doing all of this is because actually it gets you more visibility when you tag other people and names in your posts. Sometimes you have to check that you're actually going to tag the right person, so double check your information. Okay, and you can come back to this. So let me come back. I have to go back a little bit to the event in as well. When you add the event, you should see, it says over here, loading preview. So hopefully that's going to load our preview now. Once the preview is loaded, I'm going to actually remove the Eventbrite link here. And what I think I'll do is I'll add in a little arrow. So there we have posts. Let's just check spelling. Look forward to speaking at next week's lunchtime learning event at Cathedral Quarter Bid Belfast on Wednesday. Our host will be Andy Jarvis, having on stage with Jude and Josh, and we'll be discussing how to use LinkedIn. All set, and we're just going to click on post. What does this look like then in the newsfeed? We can go and click on view post, or we can just scroll down here. There we are, and you can see in here that the people are tagged, as is the venue. That is how you tag people and companies on LinkedIn.